Welcome to quantities.com. In this video, we will instruct you to use our TikTok React bot to also download, edit, and react TikTok videos with the titles, text, and songs as you want. To buy this software, you need to visit quantities.com, then find out the software in this interface, or you can click on this one, Software, select TikTok. You can see the TikTok React bot here. Click on this one. Then select the package that you want to buy. For example, I select 1 year. Next, click Add to Cart. After that, you click on your card. Then click Checkout here to make payment. After making payment, you click on this icon next to your username. Then select License Key. You will see your license table. This is the keys that you will use later with the software. Then you click on Download button here to see the link to download the software. After downloading this software, you right-click on this WinRAR file, then select Extract here. You will receive a TikTok React bot folder. Open this folder, then double-click on TikTok React bot application file here to install this software. This is the interface of our TikTok React bot. First of all, you need to click on General Settings here to set up the basic sessions. First, license key. With this session, you need to back to your account at quantities.com. This is the provided license. You click Copy. Then click OK, then paste the copy license into this license key session. Next, run sessions, save the number of videos that you want the bot to react to TikTok successfully. For example, you put 100 here. This bot will automatically stop after re-uploading 100 videos to TikTok successfully. Next, at track session, you put the number of videos that you want the bot to react to TikTok at the same time. For instance, you put 3 here. Our bots will open 3 windows to react 3 videos to TikTok simultaneously. The number of tracks that you can run depends on your computer's configuration. The stronger your computer is, the more tracks you can run. Next, cookies folder session. You need to create a new folder named Cookies. Then open this folder, copy the path here to paste it into the folder Cookie session. At the first time you run this software, it will save the cookies and profiles of TikTok accounts in this imported cookies folder. Therefore, in the next run, the bot can load these cookies to run without logging into TikTok accounts again. Similarly, at data folder section, you create a new folder named data. Then copy the path, paste its path into the session. The software will say downloaded videos in this data folder. Next, proxy struct section. There are 3 options for you to choose here. In case you select from data, you need to import proxy with TikTok accounts. We will instruct you later at account session. Next, if you select from file, you need to set up the file proxy session too. At this session, you select Lines from file. Then you create a new text file to save proxies. For example, these are my proxies. Each proxy will be entered on one line. Then the format of proxy here is IB:\port. You can add proxy username and proxy password here, proxy username, proxy password if any. Then save this file. Then at File Proxy Session, you click on this icon. Double-click on the Create the Text File Proxy. In case you do not want to use proxy, you can select No at IP Options section. The software will use the IP connected to your PC. If you log into many TikTok accounts with one IP only, these accounts can be banned. Therefore, you should buy proxies. You can visit proxytrue.com to run the best proxy to run this bot. Next, TikTok Capture API session. You need to create an account at capture.guru site. Top up your account, then take your key here, copy this, paste it into this session. The software will decode capture automatically. Next, at sleep session, you enter the range of time in millisecond unit that you want the software to rest after completing each thread. For instance, you put 30,000 to 60,000 into minimum value and maximum value like this. The software will rest for 30 seconds to 1 minute after finishing each thread. Next, you click on Accounts and Actions. To import TikTok accounts, you click on Data here. Then you will see the Database Manager dialog box. You can import TikTok accounts in two ways. The first way is import account manually. To do this, you click on this icon. Then select Add Group. You type the group name here. Then click OK to create the group. Then you click on this Create that group. Click on this icon, select Add Group. Then you enter the account's information into these sections. First is the email that you used to register TikTok accounts. Next is the username of TikTok accounts. Next is the password of TikTok account. Then you click OK. In case you select from Data at Proxy Track session, you need to import the proxy's parameters into this session. First is proxy, that means the IP. Then the port. Next is proxy username, if any. And proxy password. Then you click OK. You can see the information had been imported. Similarly, you can import many other accounts here. Another way to import TikTok accounts is creating a text file to save TikTok account information. Then you enter the corresponding parameters here into the text file. First is the email address that you use to register the TikTok account. Then comma, you use a comma to separate the parameters here. After the comma is the username of TikTok account. Then comma, the password of TikTok account. In case you select from Data at IP option, you can add the proxy information after this information. For example, I turn to another line for the email. Then comma, the username. comma the password, comma the IP, and comma port, comma proxy username if any, and comma the proxy password. Similarly, you can enter thousands of accounts here. You need to import each account on one line. Then you save this file. You click on Convert here. Select Import CSV. Then click on this icon. Select Create the text file of TikTok accounts. You can see the accounts parameters have been imported here. The group name here is CSV. You can click on this icon to change the name. Change to the name as you want, like tutorial 2. Then click OK. After that, you close the dialog box. At account section, you choose the group of account that you want to use. For example, I select this group. Next, at video URL section, you need to create a new text file to save the video link that you want to download then bring up to TikTok. To get the link, you visit the video that you want to download on TikTok. For example, I take link of this one, copy this link, then paste it into this text file. Take another link, and paste on another line. You can enter thousands of links here as you want. Save this file. At video URL section, click on this icon and then select a text file or video URL that you created. Next, at title section, you need to create a new text file to save the titles that you want the software to upload with videos. You put each title on one line, then the software supports the spin text format too. For example, these are the titles that I want to upload. Save this file. Then at title section, you click on this icon, select Create the text file of title. Next, at text section, you need to create a new text file to save text that you want to use. You put each tag on one line. For example, these are the tags that I want to use. Then save this file. At text section, you click on this icon, select the created